Got a 2013 RAV4 and the key fob battery is dead. Watch what happens if I try to start the car, foot on the brake. It beeps and the little key light is flashing. This won't even unlock or lock the vehicle. Now, first of all, if you're locked out of the vehicle, in order to get in, you just press on the side of your key fob here and this little key blade will slide out and you can put that in the door and unlock it and get inside. Well, I'm going to show you how quickly and easily you can change this battery out. I'm also going to show you how you can start the vehicle even if your key fob battery is dead. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. Got a 2013 Toyota RAV4 and the key fob battery is dead. Now, if your key fob is dead and you can't start your car, I'm going to show you how you can do that first. So you just put your foot on the brake and then take the key fob and place it over the stop start button and take a look. It's already detecting it, and then we can press down on the button and that starts the car. And then you can just set this down, you can get to your destination, and you can still turn it off just like normal. So I'm going to show you how quickly and easily we can change this battery inside here. Now, you don't even need any tools in order to do this because you can just use the key blade to pry this apart. You just press that button and slide out the key blade and then just insert it into the end and just give it a little twist and that will snap it apart. So you see we've got two halves now. So we'll set this one down. This one here, we'll just pop that out and there's our battery. And it says we have a CR2032. So all we need to do is push on that battery. I'm just going to push it this direction and try to pop it up off of these two clips. There we go. There's the old coin battery. Again, it's a CR2032. And I've got some new ones here. I'm going to use a Duracell. These have a bitter coating so that a child won't put these in their mouth and swallow it. All right, so then we just take our new battery and just slide it in kind of at an angle and push it down until it clips in place. And then we're going to put this part back into this half that it came out of. And then we'll take this half right here and just line that up and just carefully snap it back together. Just like that. And then we can put the key blade back inside. All right, now let's test it. Foot on the brake. Starts right up. Now I'm going to test the lock and unlock function because that was also not working. There's lock and there's unlock. Working perfectly. And you're done. Quick and easy job. Everything's working great. Let's do that one more time. Starts right up, no problem at all. It detects the key now. Just a bad battery, but again, if you get stranded somewhere, you can still start your car even with a dead battery in your key fob. This will be the same for 2013 through 2018 RAV4 that has this smart key, but a lot of vehicles, just so you know, you can still start it. If you just place that key fob over that stop start button, it will pick it up. Just put your foot on the brake and put it there, and then you can still start the vehicle. I hope you guys liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up a replacement battery for your key fob as well. Thanks so much for watching and good luck.